Benny en Jackie Beard.
Ja, daarmee terug naar die atelier Mnet Supersport.
There we go. Well, welcome and Keita, congratulations on a second successful title defense, and certainly looked like he did enjoy himself in there. Coming up, Brian Mitchell against Frankie Mitchell live. Brian's 11th title defense in the WBA junior lightweight title fight. We'll talk more about that one in a few moments' time, but I can tell you that Brian Mitchell will be hoping to equal a record held in the junior lightweight division. Now, this isn't only in the WBA, but in fact in all the divisions. Well, there were, I think, only 2 in those days, if not only 1. But there are 4 now. But Brian Mitchell, since 1925, between 1925 and 1929, Todd Morgan defended his junior lightweight title 11 times. Tonight, if Brian does get it right, he will equal that record. Well, as Robin Welch, I almost forgot his name there for a moment, did mention, we're going to watch the action, Jerry Ngubeni against Jackie Beard. We're going to pick up the action at the end of round number 2.
Hij is niet werkelijk de schade weer van die Jackie Beard dat hij Brian Mitchell bekleedt.
Beslissend niet, want hij is baie stadig op. En als hij aanvallen luts, is daar die hoog van hem. Dus doen als hij slaan niet in de combinaties, is inhoud betekent. En daar die lijfhouwer van de benen beslist vruchten afgedaan.
Ja, hij steekt weer naar actie uit die 8e ronde.
That fight recorded earlier then for you from the Palazzo del Ciaccio in Italy, and a win then for Jerry Ngubeni against Jackie Beard. We apologize, by the way, for our sound problems that we are experiencing in the Welkom and Kroonstad area. As you might have seen there on your screens, we are working on that problem and try and get it sorted out as soon as possible. At least you can see the pictures there, and as soon as we do manage to get those pictures, that sound through, we will have it through for you and you can enjoy the entire thing. Right now, let's go back live then to the Palazzo del Ciaccio, and it's in Italy. Brian Mitchell against Frankie Mitchell. This is the main event then, the WBA junior lightweight title of the world. Mitchell defending for the 11th time. Let's go back now to our commentators live in English on Audio 2, Robin Welch together with Sam Smith, and in Afrikaans on Audio 1, Jan Sneeman and Andre Steen.
Ons sê vir u hartelijk welkom terug hier by Aosta in Noord-Italië, hier bo die Alpe. En ons wag vir die verskyning van die 2 boksers vir die hoofgeveg van vanaand. Die 2 Mitchells, Suid-Afrika se Brian Mitchell wat sy titel vanaand die 11de keer verdedig, en sy teenstander van die VSA, Frankie Mitchell, 'n man wat 25 gevegte reeds agter die blad het, waarvan hy nie 1 verloor het nie en spog met 10 uit tophouer.